The most important part of getting a perfect hairstyle is how you style your hair, and 80% of people suck in it, not because they don't have styling products, but they simply don't know how to use them effectively. In this video, I will tell you how to choose the right products, what products you need specifically, and how to style your hair every day as well as on special occasions. In case you don't know, this video is actually part of a full hair transformation series where I will help you choose and achieve your perfect hairstyle in 90 or 180 days. If you want to see the full series, check out the playlist in the description. But if you're here just for this one, keep watching. Before you even touch a styling product, the first thing you need to understand is your hair type. Some people have straight hair, some have wavy hair, others have curls, and some have really tight coils. On top of that, you also have to think about density and thickness. For example, if your hair is very thick and full, it might need heavier products to control it. But if your hair is thin or fine, heavy products might weigh it down and make it look flat. Once you know your hair type, you will have a much easier time picking the right products and getting your hair to do what you want. Let's start with different types of hair products you should know about. There are three main categories. Number one is pre-styling products. Pre-styling products are used right after you wash or dampen your hair. They help prepare your hair for styling and make the rest of the process easier. One example is a heat-protected spray. If you use a blow dryer, straightener, or any heat tool, you should always apply heat protectant first. It acts like a shield for your hair and stops it from getting damaged by the heat. Another great pre-styling product is volumizing spray or mousse. This is really helpful if you have flat or thin hair and you want to add some lift and fullness. There's also sea salt spray, which gives your hair a relaxed, beachy texture with natural waves and movement. Number two is the main styling product. These are the ones that actually shape and hold your hairstyle. The most common ones include pomade, clay, wax, cream, gel, mousse, and styling powder. Each one has its own use, and it is important to know which one works best for the style you want. Pomade is perfect for slick styles like a comb over or slick back. It gives your hair shine and hold, making it look neat and polished. Clay has a matte finish, meaning no shine, and it is great for messy textured looks. If you like that slightly messy, natural vibe, clay is a good option. Wax falls somewhere in between. It offers a strong hold with a little shine, and it works really well for short styles like spikes or quiffs. Cream is lighter than wax or pomade. It gives your hair a smooth finish and a soft hold. It is especially good for medium to long hair and for people who want their hair to look more natural without feeling stiff. Gel gives a strong hold and high shine, but it can make your hair feel hard or crunchy if you use too much. But some people still like the firm, wet look that gel can provide. Mousse is lightweight and adds volume. It is ideal for wavy or curly hair and helps enhance your natural texture. Lastly, there is hair powder. This one is really amazing. It adds instant volume and texture without any shine, and it is great for people with fine or thin hair who want to lift their roots. And number three is post-styling products. Once your hair is styled, you can finish it off with post-styling products. Hairspray is the most popular one. It locks your style in place and keeps it from falling flat throughout the day. If your hair becomes frizzy, or if you have a style that needs to stay perfect all day, hairspray is the perfect option. I know, now you might be wondering how I know which product is right for me. Well, this depends on your hair type and what kind of style you're trying to achieve. If you have thin or fine hair, you should go for lighter products like powder, volumizing spray, or light cream. Heavy products like thick waxes or pomades will just make your hair look flat and greasy. For thick or coarse hair, you need something stronger like clay, wax, or pomade. These give you better control and help you shape your hair the way you want. If your hair is curly or wavy, use curl cream, mousse, and maybe a light oil to keep your curls defined and soft. Heavy gels might work too, but only if you want tight definition and strong hold. If you have long hair, you can use cream, oil, or sea salt spray. These make it easier to manage and keep the natural flow. Short hair can handle stronger products like wax, clay, or pomade, depending on how much shine and hold you're looking for. Using the product the right way is just as important as choosing the right one. So let's see how to do that. Always start with clean towel-dried hair. Apply your pre-styling product. Use a blow dryer to shape it. A blow dryer can completely change your styling game. It helps you add volume, shape your hairstyle, and set everything in place. Use a round brush to lift your roots for volume or a flat brush to smooth your hair down. When you're done blow drying, switch to the cool air setting for a few seconds to lock lock in the shape. After blow drying, apply your main styling product based on your look. I would recommend you begin with a small amount. You can always add more if needed, but too much product can ruin your style. Rub the product between your hands to warm it up before applying. Start from the back of your hair and work your way to the front. This prevents too much product from piling up near your forehead. Use your fingers if you want a more natural, messy look. Use a comb if you want something neater and more structured. Finish with hairspray or a drop of serum if needed. That's it. Once you get used to this routine, it only takes 5 to 10 minutes. When it comes to everyday styling versus special events, the product and amount you use can change. For your regular daily look, go with lighter products like cream or powder. These are easy to apply, easy to wash out, and don't make your hair feel stiff. For weddings, interviews, or big events, you can go with stronger products like pomade, wax, or gel, depending on the style. Also, remember the difference between applying products on wet hair versus dry hair. Wet hair is good for pre-styling and building volume. Dry hair is better for finishing and locking in the shape. You also want to make sure you wash your hair enough to remove buildup. I know, you might be wondering, do I have to wash my hair every day? No, you don't. Washing it 2 or 3 times a week is enough for most people. You can rinse it or use a dry shampoo in between washes if needed. And some styling products, especially waxes and pomades, can be hard to wash out completely. So use a clarifying shampoo once a week to reset your hair and scalp. Don't sleep with styling products in your hair either. It can clog your pores and damage both your hair and your pillow. And finally, you don't need to spend a lot to get good results. Many drugstore products work really well. Just check the ingredients and try different options until you find something that fits your hair type. If you want to try premium products, go for it, but don't feel pressured. Start with sample sizes or beginner kits to see if the product is really worth the price. As you know, this is the 7th video of this series. If you still feel like you're stuck somewhere, you need to watch the last video of this series, where I'll show you why it is hard for you to get your perfect hairstyle.